Hello everyone, welcome again to my channel. Today we want to find the determinant of this matrix, which read 1 2 minus 6 minus 3 minus 6 9 0 1 minus 3. So we want to look for the determinant of this 3 by 3 matrix, because looking at this row we're having 3 at the row, and looking at the column we are also having 3 at the column. The row comprises of 1 2 minus 6, and the column comprises of 1 minus 3 0. All these are the columns, these are the columns, these are the rows, these are the rows, these are the rows of the matrix. So it's a 3 by 3 matrix. So if we want to look for the determinant of this, the first thing we are going to do is to assign, or is to attach a sign to them. So the sign we are going to attach, we are going to start from a positive sign. So we are going to call here a positive, we are going to call here a negative, then we are going to call here a positive. There are different methods we can use to solve this, but I want to show you this method for today's video. So since we are assigned positive, negative, positive for this, so the first thing we are going to do is to pick this first value. So we are going to say 1, okay, 1 times, we are going to create a smaller array. So looking at this first column, we are going to forget everything about, we are going to close this first column. Get it? We are going to close this first column. Assume we close this first column, then we are going to close this first row. So if we close it, we are now having a negative 6. So we can put our negative 6, then put 1. If we close it, we are not going to see this, we are not going to see this, we are going to see this, this, and this. So we are going to see 9 and negative 3. Okay, we're having a negative sign here, so we put the negative sign. 2, since we're having a positive sign, that's the reason why we are not putting the positive sign. So we are going to create another small array. Okay, so what are we going to do? We are going to cover this row again. We're going to cover this row. We're going to cover this row. Also, we're also going to cover this column. If we cover this column and we cover this row, what we are just going to see, we're just going to see only this one, this one, this one, and this one. So if we write out, we're going to have a negative 3, a 9, a 0, a negative 3. So close it. So the next one is a positive sign. So we're having a positive sign here, right? Then we're also having a negative sign. And negative times positive is going to give us what? A negative. So we are having a 6 here. We're going to create another array. So now we are going to cover this column. Get it? We cover this column, cover this row. So if we cover it, what are we going to see? We're only going to see a negative 3, negative 6, 0, and 1. So we are going to see a negative 3, a negative 6, 0, and 1. So this is what we are now having. So from here we can cross multiply this with this, multiply this with this. So if we should do that, we can put 1 here. So we are going to see negative 3 times negative 6 is going to give us a positive 18, minus 1 times 9 is going to give us 9. So we are going to have negative 2 here. Okay, negative 3 times negative 3 is going to give us a positive 9, minus, and 0 times 9 is going to give us 0. We're having a minus sign here, 6. Okay, positive 1 times negative 3 is going to give us a negative 3, minus this times this is going to give us what? 0. We're having 0 there. Okay, so from here 18 minus 9, we are left with what? 9. So 1 times what? 9, minus 2 times what? 9 minus 0 is going to give us what? 9. Okay, so from here we are having negative 6, minus 3 minus 0 is going to give us what? Minus 3. Okay, we are now having something like this. Okay, so 1 times 9, we are left with what? 9, and negative 2 times 9, we are left with negative 18, and negative 6 times negative 3, we are left with plus or positive 18. So we're having 9 minus 18 plus 18 equals to 9. So therefore, the determinant of this matrix 1, 2, minus 6, minus 3, minus 6, 9, 0, 1, and minus 3 is equals to 9. So if you find this video useful and interesting, please click on the subscription button. Bye for now, and see you in my subsequent video. Bye bye.